Halloween 2021, rare photo documenting the death of a star in space. The Hubble Space Telescope documented a spectacular view of a star dying in space, which was photographed as a glowing dot surrounded by a large glowing halo. The telescope red giant star CW Leonis took its pictures on Thursday, as its death looked like the web of a giant spider in red-orange. As a result of the accumulation of dusty clouds of carbon that swallowed the star. Located 400 light-years from Earth, this star is the closest carbonaceous star to our planet, giving astronomers the opportunity to understand the relationship between the giant sphere and its turbulent atmosphere. In the image taken, the star, in the last phase of its life, emits outer layers of carbon. Astronomers say that the death of stars occurs as a result of large explosions on their surface, which cause them to become other objects and generate larger energies, resulting in so-called black holes. The Hubble Space Telescope is an international collaboration project between the U.S. Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA) and the European Space Agency, and is operated by NASA's Goddard Space Aviation Center in Maryland, USA.